Hello people, welcome to my channel Travel with Divyanu. So I have come up with one more product review, which is unboxing video of the Moms and Co. So this is the product which I had purchased, which is aloe vera gel, natural aloe vera gel from the Moms and Co. So it costed MRP wise is 265 rupees. However, on the cred app I used sale. So you can just see this is the cred app which I've used. So on that app we have a splash deals wherein it was just charging me 102 rupees. So let's go ahead and unreveal this product, how it is and what it is. So packing wise I can give full on full 5 out of 5. It came up in a better way, and maximum within 3 days I was able to receive my order. The packing wise you can see how awesome is this, like literally great. I would definitely say that packing wise, no issues when you order from Cred. I hardly ever faced touchwood. I hardly ever faced any kind of such issues, especially from Cred whenever I've placed the orders. So let's go ahead and see this. So this is the product which I was referring from the Moms and Co. The natural aloe vera gel with glycerin and natural vitamin E. So I really loved it. The quantity for 100 plus rupees max, you get a 200 ml of quantity, and let it be expiry date or maybe information. There's no any kind of issues with the product. The transparency and the quality I also checked out. It's really good. This is my second order for this particular product. So good to go team. You can literally blindly order this and utilize it for your hair care, maybe your face care, anything and everything. So this is one of the best purchase I've done on the Cred app. So hippie hooray, thank you Cred app, and thank you the Moms and Co. I love the product. Bye people, see ya.